There are two ways of creating a distress relay call. Firstly, standing in the RxMSG menu, and receiving a distress call without an acknowledgement, and if the distress call is not more than 5 minutes old, you can transmit a distress relay call. Secondly, a self-composed distress relay call, which can be one of 4 different calls depending on the type of address. The call consists of an address, a category distress, a telecommand distress relay, the MMSI number of the ship in distress if known, and the position of the ship in distress, along with the nature of distress. Click Call to select the call menu. Click Edit to start entering the information in the distress relay call. The following menu is for selecting the type of call. Use right arrow key to change to the option Distress. Click Next to select. This menu is to select between a distress call or a distress relay call. Click arrow left key or arrow right key to make the option Distress Relay flash, and click Next to select.